Everybody, welcome back to Desmond Manor House here in Sierra Leone. Craig, as always a pleasure to have you with us, and we thought we'd show you a little bit what's going on. A little bit of dark clouds going on here, a little bit of thundering before we get rained on, and we're going to try and get this front pillar put on. It's going to look just like this one over here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the front and 1 over here on the side. So we are shoring it up to make sure that it stays nice and straight. Sorry about the wind, it's starting to pick up. I think we're definitely going to get wet. We're getting wet. It's coming. You can see the rain coming from in the back. The wind's picking up. So good afternoon out in a YouTube world. It's Craig here at the Desmond Manor House channel, and it's always great to have you with us. And I'm a little bit on uneven ground here out in the front. But there you go, that's a bit better. Just to give you a little perspective on what's going on out at the house. We've been very busy, dodging the rain. It was raining out just a bit ago, but it's blaring sun right now. So sorry about the sunshine in the camera. I'll be moving around to the back of the house and it will be at my back shortly. But this is the front of the house. So we have the front door straight up the stairs. And we've got the pillars, you notice, 2 on the side, and they came out really nice. The box is a bit less cumbersome than the back ones because they're only 7 feet 3 inches, because we've got a 3 foot 3 inch beam to get up to the top of that wall. It's going to look just like the transom window right over the door there, but just a bit bigger. That goes in between the pillars. So we still have this one and the one next to the door and another one next to the door and this one. So we have 4 left, and we did the one all the way on the corner yesterday, or the day before. They took the box off yesterday, and looking good, anchoring it down, and it's coming along pretty well. And we've got some scaffolding going on the back of the house. I'm gonna walk around the back just so you can see what's going on. But look at this view, everybody. This is what we're going to see out the side of the windows in the master bedroom and the master bathroom. And then we come around to the view on the top bedrooms and the front bedroom, and the bathroom in the front on the front bedroom. And this is what we're going to see. Just gonna walk back here so you can actually see a true representation of it. There you go. There's the turtle's back there. Okay, and right around, nearest neighbor is right over here, and there's a house over here and over here. But other than that, there's a house out here. But we've planted over 60 Masenki trees. Those are the palm trees, and they look just like this one right over there. Okay, and they'll get quite big and broad, and we've got actually all the Masenki trees all the way around the edge of the property. You can see it where it's browned out because we hacked it all down. We still need to do the rest of it over on top of the hill over there. But yeah, it's got the palm trees out there. It's got matchstick trees, which get really big. They get bigger than these trees here, and it should sort of spread out. There's a bunch of locusts, just like the one up on the hill up there, and all in this area here. When we clear it out, I'm going to drop another probably 40 or 50 Masenki trees up there, palm trees. So it'll be very secluded, very tropical. That's what I would like on this. So there's plenty of space. There's 15 acres here, and I'm watching where I'm going here. There's the height. So over here we've got 2 blocks on the way up, and over here we've got 4, because this pitch over here has a pitch that comes up this way like that, and it's just a bit lower than this. Okay, So when we go to put the sticks in the roof on, we'll be at the right heights. It's all a bit of engineering. I've never done it before. It's a bit intimidating. You know, this is what I'm doing. I'm not working. I'm working on this house. And it's an everyday pursuit. It's a Sunday today. And it's just Miss Hulai and the puppies up here today. The guys have the day off. And there you have it. So they're working on the scaffolding all in the back, especially over here in this area. And that's going to be the deck area. So they're going to put a beam right up all the way around that, just under the window over there. Comes straight out that way and back into the house. We'll float the concrete floor, and then we'll have the patio doors open from the second floor balcony that you can walk out onto. So that is the way it works. Miss Hulai is wanting to have that roof or the balcony, the deck off the back underneath the just outside the kitchen area, because you know, she's stuck in that store all the time over there, and it's she's away from everyone and away from the action. But once we get a roof on there, we'll be able to move everything out here, and she'll be able to cook and do all that, because you know, Miss Hulai does all the cooking for us, vast majority of it, 95%, and you know, she's been great on that. And my taste is a bit different than hers on a lot of things, and she's been very patient with it, and I appreciate it. So she does a yeoman's job with it. But you can see what we're talking about here. It's a grand staircase out back. A lot of people say that the staircase is bigger out back than it is out front. It's not, okay? It may be because this big round area. You know, this is a very livable area of the house because it's got the patio, and it's going to have the pool area back here. So this is where we're going to spend most of our time. We wanted it really nice, and we didn't have to put this big circular bit down here. But you know, when it's all done and it gets all leveled out and it's bricked and there's a pool area back out here, it's going to look really nice in the end. So I was building the boxes the other day, and we got 2 of the plinths up, one on either side of the stairs. Okay, so from this area, the rail actually comes down this way, down the stairs on both sides, and across into the beams this way. So it will go right around. So there you go. Let me just come into the house and walk through the middle, and you can see what we have going on. We haven't attacked too much on the inside as of yet because it's still raining. You can see the wet areas here, and we just can't have the floor down here while it's still raining. Once it starts being sunny every single day and hot, where we never get any rain, then this floor will go on immediately, and we will start putting up the walls. Okay, so you'll be able to see the rooms actually in this house, and we're really looking forward to that. So the area over there, which is all sprayed in red, that is the toilet area, master shower and tub area of the master and the bedroom right here. That's their bathroom there. So we're gonna put 5/8 inch iron rod in between the floor joists and put concrete in there and put the holes where the drain's going to go, and run it down underneath the house here. So that is on the docket for me this week. That's what I'll be doing. And again, there's a transom. Okay, and when you're out here on the veranda, and we have the front steps, there's the view, okay, from up on the veranda. So it's really nice sitting out here late in the afternoon because the sun is out back, and the house actually blocks the sun, and it's just a really nice, pleasant. You can see how it's actually shaded right out here, and we just, you know, pop a few chairs out here, and the dogs sit up here and relax and so forth. But the puppies love it out here. They're just outside down there, running around. You can actually see them. Here they come. Yeah. They all play together. You know, they're all little brothers. They're all very similar. and but very different personalities, and they're all beautiful things. But they love it up here because of this the sheer size of Dame Manor. Okay, so there you go, guys. I wanted to bring you up to pace with that. Remember to always subscribe and leave a message for us on comments and so forth. It's always nice to hear from our people. Remember to share the videos around, and yeah, hit the notification bell to make sure that you are hooked up. You could do it sort of occasional videos, or if you want to see every single video, you can hit the notifications to let your phone make you aware that there is a new video that I've dropped on this channel. Okay, so things are going to start heating up, and once the weather starts drying out, things are going to go a bit quicker, and you're going to be seeing a lot of interior work done on this house. And yeah, so there you go, guys. All right, so I will see you again in another video real soon, so we'll see you. Bye for now.